This is a quick review of this umbrella. It comes with its own travel case, which is about 4.5 feet long when bundled up. Two poles go in there, and then it has this sort of stainless steel bar that you can insert and then just screw. The base of it has a screw, so you don't have to put anything else in the sand. Screws really easily, and this top piece just kind of unwraps, and then you just slide it into this like heavy gauge bracket that kind of holds everything together with like a hard plastic knob. You can adjust this up to about 8 feet, maybe a little over 8 feet, actually, the very tippity top, depending on how far you dig it down in and then where you want to adjust it. Like in this example, you can see I'm tightening this up into place, and then it has this hinge here at the top. You can tilt it to the right or left about 30 degrees depending on the wind, so you can adjust that with the sun and everything. Underneath, you can see it has this gray sort of covering underneath, and that's preventing the heat and sun from coming through. And then there's this vent at the top to also help with the wind. This is the adjustment here. You can see up close. This is like some kind of heavy gauge stainless steel. It's not going to rust. There's a vent for the air to go out. Very easy to use, and hope that helps.